Hey guys, this is day 2 of this job. Today I have some woods to clear out of underbrush. Today I have the EC35C mini excavator with me. That's my Volvo. So what I'm doing is I'm clearing out these woods of all of this underbrush. This is all rhododendron you see behind me, and there's lots of little saplings and rotten wood and stuff in here. So we're just clearing that out to make these woods so that we can walk through them and enjoy them more. Before we get started, this machine here needs a little grease. Working on a good bit of a slope today, and it's a little bit wet, so it's a little bit slippy and slidey, so I'm just taking my time, trying not to do anything sudden. But I think I'm gonna have a hell of a time trying to move this stuff to over here, just because now it's all tangled up. But I'll give it a shot. Mostly I need to get this end of the pile. Down there. Whoa. Come on now. Let go. A lot of these tree limbs and tree trunks are really long, so they're all tangled up in this pile. Live and learn. Do not make your burn piles underneath trees. That's what I learned. Come on. Get over there. All right. get the burning going down there, and then as it burns I can feed this stuff in. But I'd like to get some of this out of the way first. Push some of this stuff down the hill a little bit. I doubt it. Oh well. We are going downhill, so I'm going to see if I can use this blade. Push some of this stuff a little bit further down the hill. Kind of use that blade a little bit. Yeah, it's moving. Feel better about that. Now I got this brush pile away from those trees, so when I set it on fire it should burn safely. I'm gonna get up in there, see if I can't take some of that deadfall off of the ground there and haul it out here. I really wish I had a skid steer to pick this stuff up. It'd be a lot faster. So Matt, if you're listening, just come on out whenever you're ready. This thing will break. There you go. Just trying to make a little pile right here so I can grab a bunch when I track out. This is where a skid steer would come in handy. This tracking back and forth is really time consuming, and skid steer with a grapple hook could really get this stuff cleared out quickly. See if I can get out of here without running into that tree again. Well, as you can see, the pile is growing, making progress. I've been taxiing that stuff out of the woods. We got all of this cleared out. All of this section and all up here. And what I've been doing is I've been making piles of stuff that I dug out. And so I've still got this little pile and this little pile up here to haul out. That looks like about four more trips. So it's going pretty good. Happy with the way it's going. I think I'm gonna have to stop the clearing right here. This is about as far as I can go, because I don't know if you can tell, but this area right here drops off at a very, very steep angle. I'd rather leave this rhododendron intact to try to help hold the soil together, prevent erosion. But it'll be nice just having this area cleared. Well, that's it for this time. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That way I know I'm doing a good job and you guys are watching. And please leave a comment if you have any questions or any comments whatsoever. I love to hear them. Stay tuned for more videos. A buddy of mine just got a brand new skid steer, so we're going to be teaming up on some bigger projects. All right, guys. Well, I hope to see you in the next video.